Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto here. Right now we are turning into Sand Lake Sound. This is a Meritage homes community. Let's go check it out. Let's go take a little drive around the clubhouse over here. So the section that we're in right now is very close to Universal, very close to SeaWorld, not at all far from Disney. There's a lot of construction down there, so I'm going to pass on that. I like the tile roofs that I'm seeing. Now straight ahead, if you see that big Ferris wheel, that is Icon Park, which used to be called the Coca-Cola Orlando Eye. It's had quite a few names. I think it changed names 3 times. But that's where the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, where they have the celebrities, is, and the aquarium is in there, and quite a few other things. Universal is extremely close. International Drive is right over there where that Ferris wheel is. Don't even know if the camera's still on it, but just wanted to point that out. I got some nice stonework on these homes too. A lot of sold signs around here. You know, if you're interested in new homes, there are a lot of communities that are fantastic, and you know, they're just coming to a close. So definitely keep that in mind. Some communities only have a few months left, so it's a great time to start shopping so you could really have the most options on a new home, that is. Nice looking townhomes over here. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You could always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of every page. So definitely check that out, and keep in mind I do offer home buyers incentives, although you have to contact me first before you head over to a home builder. That's just policy. They always want your realtor there. And thank you for watching this short video. Hope that you found it helpful. This is the clubhouse. Just wanted to get a quick view of that. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. And have a great day.